Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Whitesburg local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to relocate 100 miles or further, you might want additional services such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer plenty of options for your long-distance move. When you need to relocate to a new state or across the country, our team will help take the stress out of your move. A local moving company might not seem necessary when you need to move a shorter distance. Hiring a Kentucky moving company can make a huge difference, though. With the right professional movers, you'll save time and energy. 3 Movers takes care of everything for you. There will be no worrying about getting injured from the lifting or damaging your items with us. We make your local move super easy so you can worry about other things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Whitesburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.